Okay, I'm back. I decided to take a coloring break, and I either hired and commissioned out. This is what I commissioned out. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna get this drawn more neatly by my artist brother / son. And then this is the work I did. No, I could pause on here, I forgot. Okay, so now I know where I put everything. And I'm also gonna grow a bigger thing of the rest of the sprouts and soil, which it grows successfully in. So I'm excited about that. So this is I have a beefsteak tomato, and then I have a better bush tomato. So I'm excited to go ahead and plant both of these. Hopefully the rabbits or anything in nature don't tear it up. Please have grace over me. Oh, I forgot to look up a prayer. But please have grace over my garden, our public appearance of this garden. Please have grace. And I don't have a thing yet, but I'm gonna go buy one. Oh, perfect. It'll be growing a little bit above. Very soil, very well seasoned. Putting everything on the side secretly. Pack it down. It already comes with a stick, but you can always find strays. Oh, wow. So I'm gonna leave the Swiss chard that I have growing in here. So we have some blossoms, so I could put it in there. I'm just gonna take out. Oh, snap. Look what's growing together. Look at the roots on these. And these were healthy. It was growing all through up in here. So I got even the time, I even have the time that it grows, so 70 to 80 days. I was gonna put my basil out here. I'm still thinking about doing it, but I don't think so. So now I'm gonna go fill this up with dirt. I'm gonna pause it, fill this up with dirt, and grow my sprouts. I kind of want to fill this up with dirt, but I might have to plant my cucumber somewhere. I should probably end up doing it in the middle of there. I'm not sure. I probably need some more, but I'm gonna just keep growing what I got. So I'm on more sandwiches. So I'm gonna go get some Dora. I'm gonna get some soil, put it in here. I was gonna use a little one. I might just use the little one. This can grow inside. So I'll be right back. And then we're all done for the day. All right, we're back. Here we got some water. Not plant water, but water. Doesn't say how much, but I want to keep regrowing it. Guess I'll do 2 harvests. So we'll check back on this in 4 to 5 days. And that's sandwich sprouts. So let's water our beds. It said it was gonna rain, but I'm glad I did take the chance and pick up some soil. So we'll do one fill a week, okay? So I love you all. Thanks you guys for watching BFFs, and we'll check in on our sprouts together, and we'll check and see how big and tall the beefsteak tomato. Oh my gosh! What a surprise! I literally did not see this. Oh wow, this is so cute. There's one little dingling. There's one dingle ball, and then these are flowering as well. Oh my gosh! I want to make a fruit one. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna make a fruit one, but I was gonna put it back there. So we'll see, okay? So we'll check back in. I'm thinking about definitely adding fruit, and because they have so many little trees that you can have it. And I don't mind watching those grow for like 6 to 5 years, okay? So, love you all.